Welcome to the wild. Today, we will venture into the heart of the jungle to witness the apex predator, the tiger, in its natural habitat. Join us as we explore the incredible hunting skills and strategies of this majestic creature. The territory of the tiger, also known as its living and activity area, is an important concept in ecology and conservation. Tigers are top predators that play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance in their habitats. The territory of a tiger can be very large, depending on the species and environmental conditions. A single tiger can occupy a territory ranging from 20 to 400 square kilometers. Typically, the territory of a male tiger is larger than that of a female tiger. A male tiger's territory often includes the territories of one or more females. The size of a tiger's territory depends on the abundance of prey. In areas with plentiful prey, the territory is smaller, and vice versa. Terrain, climate, and water sources also affect the extent of a tiger's territory. Tigers use various methods to mark their territories, including scat, urine, and scratch marks on trees. They can be very aggressive in defending their territories from other tigers or other carnivores. Protecting the natural territory of tigers is vital for their survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urban expansion is a major threat to tigers. Conservation strategies often involve protecting and restoring natural territories, minimizing human-tiger conflicts, and monitoring tiger populations in the wild. Protecting tigers and their territories not only safeguards a species but also helps preserve the entire ecosystem they inhabit. Tigers are master hunters, renowned for their stealth and efficient hunting skills. These abilities result from a combination of biological features and complex behaviors. Below are the key elements of a tiger's stalking art. Tigers have powerful muscles, particularly in their legs and shoulders, enabling them to pounce on their prey with great strength and precision. Their claws are sharp and retractable, allowing them to grip their prey firmly and move silently. The striped coat of a tiger helps it blend into its surroundings, especially in dense forests or tall grass, making it difficult for prey to detect them. Tigers move very quietly and carefully, often choosing the least noisy path to approach their prey. They are incredibly patient and can lie in wait for hours, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Tigers often use environmental features such as bushes, tall grass, or darkness to conceal themselves as they get closer to their prey. Tigers approach their prey slowly and silently, often pausing whenever the prey shows signs of suspicion. When within striking distance, usually less than 20 to 30 meters, the tiger will launch itself at high speed, pouncing on the prey before it can react. Tigers typically aim for the neck, delivering a powerful bite to break the neck or sever the arteries, causing quick death. Tigers can hunt a variety of prey, from small animals like wild boar and deer to larger animals such as buffalo and even crocodiles. Depending on the prey and environment, tigers can adapt their hunting strategy accordingly, from hunting alone to rarely hunting in groups. The stalking art of the tiger not only demonstrates the intelligence and skill of this species but is also a crucial part of how they survive in the challenging natural environment. Conserving tigers requires understanding and protecting these natural characteristics and behaviors. The life cycle of tigers goes through various stages from birth to maturity and old age. Here are the main stages in the life cycle of a tiger. 1. Breeding. Mating. Tigers do not have a fixed mating season, but they typically mate in winter. Male and female tigers find each other when the female is in estrus, which lasts about 3 to 7 days. Gestation. After mating, the female tiger is pregnant for about 3.5 months, 93 to 112 days. 2. Birth and early life. Cubs. The female tiger gives birth to 1 to 6 cubs, usually 2 to 4. Newborn tiger cubs are very weak and blind, weighing only around 1 kilogram. Nurturing. The mother carefully looks after the cubs. They nurse from their mother for the first 6 to 8 weeks. 3. Development. Initial growth. In the first 2 months, tiger cubs start to open their eyes and learn to walk. They begin eating meat after 6 to 8 weeks of age but continue nursing until about 5 to 6 months old. Learning to hunt. From 6 months old, tiger cubs start learning to hunt by observing and playing with their mother. Gradually, they begin participating in hunts. 4. Independence. Becoming independent. At about 2 to 3 years old, tiger cubs begin to become independent and leave their mother to find their own territory. This is when they become solitary hunters. Full maturity. Tigers reach full maturity at around 3 to 5 years old. Males are typically larger than females and have larger territories. 5. Old age. Declining health. As tigers age, their health and hunting abilities gradually decline. Tigers can live up to 15 to 20 years in the wild and longer in captivity, up to 25 years. Challenges in conservation. Threats. Tigers face numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and conflicts with humans. Conservation efforts. Conservation efforts focus on protecting habitats, preventing illegal hunting, and maintaining wild tiger populations. Breeding programs in captivity also aim to reintroduce tigers into the wild. Understanding the life cycle of tigers not only helps protect this species but also maintains the balance in their natural ecosystems. Tigers once roamed widely across Asia, inhabiting tropical forests, mangrove swamps, grasslands, and deciduous forests. However, due to habitat loss and poaching, their range and numbers have significantly declined. Currently, tigers primarily inhabit specific areas. India holds the largest tiger population, accounting for about 70% of the global total, with significant habitats in Ranthambore National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, and Sundarbans. The Sundarbans mangrove forest in Bangladesh is also a key habitat, though smaller than in India. Thailand still has tigers in reserves like Wai Kha Kang Wildlife Sanctuary, while Myanmar hosts a few tigers in dense forests and reserves. In China, the South China tiger is nearly extinct in the wild and survives mainly in captivity. The Siberian tiger, or Amur tiger, primarily lives in the Russian Far East, especially in Primorsky Krai and Khabarovsk Krai. In Indochina, tigers in Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam are very few and mostly reside in reserves. Current estimates suggest there are about 3,900 wild tigers, a slight increase from past decades due to conservation efforts. Approximately 8,000 tigers live in captivity worldwide, including in zoos and breeding facilities. Though captive tigers face issues related to animal welfare and genetic conservation, tigers face numerous threats including habitat loss due to deforestation and urban expansion, poaching for their skins, bones, and other body parts used in traditional medicine and illegal trade, and conflicts with humans, mainly farmers near forests. Global conservation efforts focus on protecting tigers and their habitats by establishing and managing reserves, preventing illegal poaching, and raising public awareness about tiger conservation. Breeding programs in captivity aim to reintroduce tigers into the wild. Understanding the life cycle and distribution of tigers is crucial for their conservation and maintaining the natural balance within ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the wild. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing wildlife adventures. See you next time, and let's keep the wild alive.